Hey, do you want to save some money on buying shoes? I got the perfect shoe for you. What's going on, Blacked Out Kickz fam? We here with a budget shoe. When I say budget shoe, this shoe is a nice, dope colorway, and it comes in a plethora of different colors, from black to oranges to just a bunch of different colors, man. And I'm telling you this, and I'm bringing y'all this because it's summertime, kids out of school, you know what I'm saying? And hey, you don't want to buy them no $100, $200, $400 shoes just to run around and play in. They're gonna be with their friends, and if y'all going somewhere, it still is a nice, dope shoe, and the comfort is there. This is a remake, I want to say, of a shoe, because it got kind of the same toe box as another shoe. But yo, you seen the thumbnail, you clicked on it because you already know what shoe it is, and y'all know what we bringing y'all. We bringing y'all budget. We bringing y'all stuff that ain't nobody else reviewing and ain't nobody else on. And that's why y'all clicked on Blacked Out Kickz. And that's why you're going to hit that subscribe button. I already know it. I already know it because y'all are my loyal fans. Well, let's not even call it fans. Y'all my loyal family. So, hit that subscribe button, hey, and make sure you hit that notification bell, because it don't count if you don't hit that notification bell. So, hit that notification bell, subscribe, hey, and make sure, if you can, share it. Share it wherever you want to share it. Hey, if it's a blooper, if I look like it, make fun of me, make a meme, whatever it may be, share it. It is what it is. Hey, but let's get into this this budget shoe here, man. Yes. We all know New Balance is there. New Balance, the quality on all New Balances. When I say all, I mean, I haven't picked up a New Balance where I was like, the fucking quality is horrible. Now, I've picked up a bunch of Nikes and said, Jesus Christ, this quality is horrible. I've picked up, I think Nike the one though. Nike is really the one where you pick up a shoe and you be like, what were they thinking when they made these? Like, did they just take scraps from another shoe? Like, even when you pay the big bucks for the shoes, the Jordans and all those, you look at the quality and be like, man, they could have did so much better. But this shoe retailed me at $100. If I'm not, maybe even cheaper than that. I think it was probably $89 or whatever. I think it was $100 after shipping, taxes, and all that stuff. So that right there, and the shoe is comfortable. You cannot go wrong with that. You cannot go. It's almost better than buying a Huarache. And y'all know, after the last 6 or 7 videos, how many Huaraches I've come through here with. So you already know how much I feel about them. That's just me personally. I just like the colors and whatnot they coming out with. But let's get into this New Balance. Let's get into this. Let's talk about it. This colorway on this is called, they don't have it on here. New Balance. That's crazy. I never knew New Balance not to have the number on there, but I think it's called Sea Salt or something like that. Let's get into it. And it is this is a 5740. Bam, bam, bam. Which is a rendition of the 574, the 574. It's a rendition of that, and I'm gonna tell you where the similarities come in at. Bam, bam, bam. Bam. Hey, Black, why did you come up with this color? Well, I got this color. This color here, right? Summertime fun is what I see. When I seen these, I was like, oh man, these look dope with some light colors, you know what I'm saying? Won't be hot, none of that stuff, you know what I'm saying? The only thing I think will happen with these, they'll get dirty, but at the end of the day, You spent $100 on a shoe that's comfort. You gonna wear them? Wear them till them boys is twisted and mangled. You know what I'm saying? It is what it is. This is a has suede. It has some of these different hints of just, man, the quality. Like, I can't get over the quality of these, man. But like I said, this is a rendition of that 574. You can tell by that toe box in the bottom there. They redid the midsole. You got that New Balance in there, and you got hints of blue all around the shoe. And like I said, what they got going on with all these collabs with Joe Freshgood, I think they signed. They got a couple people signed to them. The Kawhis, which are horrible for me, horrible looking to me, but the comfort probably on there is great. They killing the game. Hey, New Balance, shouts out to y'all. Y'all killing the game. I think New Balance is the company of the year for me, personally. What they've been dropping the end of last year, and now they bringing back them 550s and all that stuff, which is a budget shoe as well. But yacht gang, big feet gang. This is a size 12. I could have went true to size, which is 11 and a half, but sometimes you just need that wiggle room, so I got a 12 in these. Dope shoe, man. Dope shoe. You can wear it with a lot of things, and I just wanted to get that budget shoe out for y'all. If I see it, if I got the links, I'll put the links in the bottom for y'all. But like I said, this do come in a plethora of colors, so they are out here. You can find them. I suggest you go cop them now. Go. No, click out the video and go cop them. No, I'm joking. But hey, this your boy Blacked Out Kickz, coming to y'all with another video. Hey, do me a favor, stay blessed, be blessed, and always, on top of everything, always find a way to get your blessings. Yo, we out.